Out here in the shop today working on one of the long-term project vehicles, which is a 65 Impala SS convertible. It was a 396 big block car. It did not have the original motor or anything in it when we got it, so we're doing an LS swap. This is just a 5.3 and we got twin turbos for it off of eBay. This is the Rev 9 kit. It's supposed to be good for 1200 horsepower or something, which I doubt this will see. But this is just the stuff that comes in the kit. It's got V-bands and oil fittings, and that's the return lines. The feed lines are over there. It's got two wastegates, like that. The motor's sitting in here with the set of turbo headers on it already, and we've got the motor moved back, what did we say, 6 inches? Yeah. So it's sitting pretty close to the firewall. We'll get a different intake and stuff on it, but right now we're just messing with turbo placement and trying to get that stuff finalized so we can see where everything else has got to go. But this will be a long-term project, so we probably won't have super frequent updates. But stay tuned and we'll see how far we get. Working on taking these turbo manifolds off, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut them off back here somewhere and make them shorter so the turbos can sit further back and give us more room for the radiator and stuff like that. And because of the offset in the heads, we're going to cut an inch more off this one than this one. So once we get these off and cut, we'll see what they look like. Got the manifolds cut off. This one is cut an inch longer here than the other one because of the heads being offset, and we're cut the V-bands off to reuse them. So we'll just weld those back on right like that once they're straight. So we'll get these tacked back together and put them in the car. Got these two headers shortened. You can see they're pretty close to in line with each other, front to back, which is what we were going for. They're just tacked on for now. Going to get them tightened up so we can mess with the placement of the turbos. The plan is to weld we got some 3-inch donut pieces of pipe that are just a real tight bend, and we're going to come up off of here, and the turbos will sit up and out to the side. And then that way the exhaust can just follow the header back and go down through that hole there. So we'll get that stuff mocked up. Got the 90-degree pieces cut out, and we welded the V-band flanges back on. So what we're getting ready to do is take the T4 flange that goes to the turbo, and we're going to mush the pipe down so it kind of fits in there. And then we're going to weld the T4 flange on. Basically copying what you can buy off eBay, but we didn't really want to spend $60 to $80 a piece on them, so we just made them ourselves, and they should do the job just the same. Okay, the turbos are on there temporarily. Got our little 90-degree pieces welded on, a couple bolts holding each of the turbos on. We're trying to make them as symmetrical as possible so they sit pretty much in line with each other, and we've got them clocked so they're almost the same height. This one's sitting a little lower, but I think they look pretty good. That'll probably do it for this video. On the next part, we'll be working on the exhaust, trying to get it run. This side will be easy, running it along here and then down through the frame. The other side's going to be a lot tighter because of the steering box, but we'll see that on the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.